I'm upgrading this pan from that pan. And the reason being is it has a leak in this new one. I've also super glued the gasket around it. And additionally, this has a plug with it. Well, I tried the other gasket and I used super glue and I couldn't adjust it the way I wanted to. And I think I tore it and did not get it to where it would seal, and it still leaked. So I ordered this new gasket, reusable. This thing feels really rubbery. You see how thick it is? I'm not going to have to glue this into place, so let's check it out. And I have this tightened down with a torque wrench at 15 pounds. Got the new filter on. And those are flathead screws, by the way. Want to make sure you get off any residue from the other gasket, which that one didn't have much on it. I have the one bolt started in it right there. I don't have any glue, or easy that is to get that bolt started. I would just... One of the things I like about this is once you get these in here, you don't have to tighten them too tight. And as you move around, your bolt holes line up with the gasket. It's just so much easier to work with doing it this way so far. So I'm doing this by total feel. And once again, you torque it to 5 pounds. And one crisscross pattern wise. Then you torque it to 10 pounds. Wait, and then go around again, torquing it to 10 pounds. And the next thing I'm doing is filling up this automatic transmission fluid, 4 quarts worth, and we're gonna recheck the dipstick. Now I've got the Chevelle back in the garage and it is not leaking. Can you believe it? Gotta say, I would highly recommend this gasket.